Setting up shipping in ShopWired can be a bit tricky, but in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a better solution that might actually suit your needs better, one with a special extended free trial exclusive to you. Now, let's get into it. First up, the basics. To start setting up shipping in ShopWired, you need to head over to the Shipping section in your admin panel. From there, you'll click on Shipping Zones to start defining where you want to ship your products. This is where you set up the different regions or countries you're willing to ship to. Next thing, you'll need to configure shipping rates. You can do this by clicking on Shipping Methods inside the same shipping settings area. ShopWired allows you to set flat rates, weight-based rates, or even free shipping for certain conditions. For example, you could offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount, or you could charge based on the weight of the package. It's pretty flexible, but it can get confusing when you start needing more customization. The third thing you should know is about tax settings. Make sure your shipping rates reflect the correct tax for the regions you're selling to. This can be a bit of a headache because different countries have different tax rules, and ShopWired isn't always the most intuitive when it comes to managing international tax settings. But with some patience, it's manageable. Next, let's talk about shipping labels. ShopWired integrates with a few shipping carriers, so you can print labels directly from the platform, saving you time. However, keep in mind that the integration options are fairly limited compared to other platforms like Shopify, which offer a wider variety of third-party shipping app integrations. So, while ShopWired has the basics covered, if you need more advanced functionality, it could be a drawback. The fifth thing you need to know is about handling different product types. If you sell products that require special shipping conditions, like fragile items or large products, you'll need to manually adjust your shipping rules for those. ShopWired doesn't offer a lot of automated handling for this kind of shipping customization, so it might not be the best fit if you have a complex inventory. And finally, after you've set everything up, don't forget to test your shipping process. Try out different shipping methods during checkout to ensure everything works smoothly before going live. It's a good idea to make sure your customers are seeing the right rates, especially if you've applied discounts or conditional shipping methods. Now, after setting up shipping in ShopWired, you may find that the platform is a little limiting, especially for more complex shipping scenarios. If you're looking for more robust shipping features, such as better integrations with multiple carriers or more flexibility in setting up your shipping zones and rates, I've got something to recommend that might be a better fit. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of a software that not only makes setting up shipping easier, but offers more advanced features that will grow with your business. Plus, we've included some fantastic alternatives that provide excellent shipping solutions and also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see what works best for your needs. So, make sure to check out the link in the description for your exclusive benefits and the best trial options for your business.